Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today's story is called How to Talk on a Date. You will hear a sweet and natural conversation between two friends, Sam and Ellie, as they go on their first date together. Sam and Ellie's date was full of sweet moments, from holding hands for the first time to sharing a gentle kiss goodbye. You will learn many useful phrases for dating, expressing feelings, and having heart-to-heart conversations in English. I will speak slowly and clearly, so please listen carefully and try to follow along. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Hey, Ellie, over here.
Hi, Sam. Sorry I'm a little late. The train was crowded.
No problem at all. I just got here too.
Good. It's such a nice day, isn't it?
Yeah, perfect for a date.
You said it. So, where are we going first?
I was thinking maybe we could walk to the café near the park. They have great sandwiches.
That sounds nice. I didn't eat much this morning, so I'm hungry already.
Perfect timing then. Let's go.
Sure. Oh, wait. Your shirt looks nice today. Is it new?
Oh, thanks. Yeah, I got it last week. I wasn't sure if it looked good, but I guess it's okay.
It looks really good. Simple, but nice.
Thanks. You look great too, by the way. I like your dress.
Oh, thank you. I wanted to wear something a bit cute today.
Mission accomplished. You look really cute.
Ha! Stop it. You're making me blush.
So, how's your week been? Busy at work?
Yeah, kind of. I had to finish a few reports, but now I'm free and happy.
That's good to hear. I was looking forward to today all week.
Really? Me too. I even went to bed early last night so I wouldn't be sleepy.
Wow, you really planned ahead.
Of course. I didn't want to yawn in front of you.
That would have been cute, though.
No way. Don't say that.
Okay. I'll stop teasing you.
It feels so good to walk outside today.
Yeah, the air is nice and fresh. I love this kind of weather.
Same here. Oh, look at those flowers. So colorful.
Yeah, spring is the best season. Everything looks alive.
I agree. I always feel happier in spring.
Maybe it's because we get more sunlight.
Yeah, and maybe because I get to go on dates like this.
Haha, smooth. You're good at this.
What? I'm just being honest.
Well, I'm glad to hear that. Ellie?
Yeah?
Can I hold your hand?
Oh, sure.
Really?
Yes, really.
Wow, your hand is warm.
Yours too. It feels nice.
I've wanted to do this for a while, you know?
You should have asked sooner.
I was scared you'd say no.
I wouldn't say no to you.
Hi. Welcome. Just two today?
Yes, just two.
Please have a seat here.
Oh, everything looks so good. I can't decide.
Yeah, same. But I think I'll get the club sandwich. It's my favorite here.
That sounds good. Maybe I'll try the pasta.
Good choice. Their pasta is really tasty.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have one club sandwich and one iced coffee, please.
And I'll have the tomato pasta and a lemonade, please.
Got it. I'll bring those right out.
This place is so cute. The music is nice too.
Yeah, it's cozy. I come here sometimes to read.
Really? You read a lot?
Not a lot, but I like novels. What about you?
I read sometimes, but mostly I watch movies.
Oh, me too. What's your favorite movie?
Maybe La La Land? It's romantic and the music is beautiful.
Nice choice. I love that one too. Especially the ending.
Yeah, it's sad, but beautiful.
Just like real life, huh?
Yeah, you never know how things will go.
This sandwich is amazing. As always.
This pasta is great, too. Want to try some?
Sure. Thanks. Wow, that's really good.
Right? Okay, now I'll try yours. You're right. It's delicious.
See? I told you.
You have good taste.
Thank you. Maybe that's why I like you.
That's smooth again.
I'm serious.
Wow, it's beautiful here. Look at the flowers.
Yeah, I love this park. I used to come here as a kid.
Really? That's cute.
Thanks. I liked feeding the ducks.
Let's sit on that bench. The view looks nice from there.
Good idea.
You know, it's been such a relaxing day.
Yeah, I'm really glad we met today.
Me too. I feel like I can just be myself with you.
That's the best thing someone could say to me.
It's true, though.
Thanks, Ellie. You're special to me.
Oh, look! That couple is taking pictures under the trees.
Yeah, it's a good spot. Want to take one too?
Sure! Why not? Let's do it.
Let me check. Oh, this one's perfect.
We look so happy.
Because we are.
I love how peaceful it is here. You can hear the birds.
Yeah. It's nice just walking and talking with you.
You really know how to make someone feel special.
Maybe that's because you are special.
Wow, look at the sky. It's so beautiful.
Yeah, the colors are amazing. Orange, pink, and purple all mixed together.
I love sunsets. They make me feel calm.
Me too. It's like the world is slowing down for a while.
It's so quiet now.
Yeah, I like this moment. Just us and the sound of the river.
It feels like time stopped.
If only it could stay like this forever.
You sound like a poet.
Maybe I just say what I feel.
That's what I like about you. You're honest.
Ellie?
Hmm?
Can I ask you something?
Sure.
Can I hug you?
Yes, you can.
You feel so warm.
So do you. It feels safe.
I could stay like this forever.
Me too.
You have the kindest eyes. You know that.
You always say the sweetest things.
Only when I mean them.
I can't believe it's already night. The day went by so fast.
Yeah, time really flies when you're happy.
I had such a good time today. Thank you, Sam.
No, thank you. You made my whole week.
Haha, that's a big compliment.
No, I mean it. I really enjoyed every moment.
Me too. Especially the walk by the river. That was my favorite part.
Yeah, me too. It felt like a movie scene.
So, I guess this is goodbye for today.
Yeah. But can I ask one more thing?
Sure. What is it?
Can I kiss you?
Yes.
Wow, that was nice.
Yeah, it was.
Thank you, Ellie.
For what?
For today. For being you.
You're sweet, Sam.
Thank you.
How was it? I hope you enjoyed this romantic date story and learned many useful expressions for talking about feelings, compliments, and spending time with someone special. Try to remember these natural phrases and use them when you want to express your feelings in English. We are making more slow and clear English videos like this so you can listen, shadow, and improve your English every day. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more stories. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.